Hey everybody, this is my intro into the big rig group build. I was thinking of doing this gas truck. So it is a big rig, it's 1/32 scale. So Jeff, let me know if this is okay to build for the big rig group build. It's going to be an easier kit than a lot of you guys are doing. The only other big rig I got is that Dodge L700. I have actually 3 of those. And I'm sure if you guys ever built that kit before, you would know how much of a piece of crap that is. I got one that's almost done, and I haven't gone back and tried to do it yet. And so I got one that has like a flatbed, one's a gas hauler tanker, and then the other one is a hauler for the, I think it's a little red wagon. I don't remember what it's called. I haven't seen it in a while. I had that one buried off into the stash. So if this one's okay, I'll end up building this one. My fiance actually bought me this for my birthday, which is just a little bit ago, or hasn't happened yet, but this one might actually air on my birthday. But that got the little figures and everything, but as you can see, it hasn't even been opened. I haven't even got the drool on this kit yet. But at first, I kind of, every time I seen it, I thought, well, it's that odd scale, so I might not build it. But you know what? It's kind of a good thing it's that odd scale, because it's only as big as this box. If it was 1/24 scale, it would be as big as this table. So at least I don't have to worry about finding a full-size dinner table to display this at. I can just put this on the shelf with the others. It don't look like it's that bad of a detailed kit, but it is smaller, so it's going to lose out on some of the detail. But the one thing is this cool Sinclair sign. It does have the decal for that. It has a decal or a piece of paper. I don't remember which, but I think it's a decal. And then they have the little mini ones that are for the door, but that one is extra. And then it does have these 2 Sinclair dyno gas line. So like that's a sign. I would really like to 3D print those so I can put the decal. This one might be in it, but I don't know if that one is. I'll have to look at the kit. Yeah, don't say nothing about that. It says the figures, so I'll paint up the figures in that, but that would be cool. And it is made in the USA. Can't beat it. So there is my entry into the big rig group build. Look forward to building along. Last year I didn't do it because of that Dodge semi truck that I said I had. I didn't start it then. I started it years ago, and just got to a point where it was like enough's enough, and didn't do it anymore. So this time I like to join. And until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.